Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our 3D printing course. So in this lesson, we would learn about 3D printing apps or softwares. In our previous lesson, we learned about some, that's SLS, and then SLE, and then FDM. So let's look at some softwares that's you can use to model your 3D objects. Okay, so we have SolidWorks, we have Maya, Fusion 360, Tinkercad, and then Blender. So I'll open this site in a moment. Okay, so this is the interface of Blender. Okay, oh sorry, this is the interface of Maya. Okay, so Maya, and then you can see I think this should be David, a model of David. So this interface, and then you can actually use Maya to do some modeling of your 3D objects. You also have Blender, so you can see Blender. Blender is free open source project or software. Okay, so that's the interface of Blender. Then we have that of Tinkercad. Okay, so with Tinkercad, you can see the interface is very intuitive. Basic objects like cube, 3D objects like cubes, cylinders, and the likes. You can use it in your classroom. You can use it for professional works and also for kids. Okay. Then we have Fusion 360 as you see here. It's a product of Autodesk. Okay, so there's Fusion 360. It's also one powerful 3D modeling software. Then we have that of SolidWorks. SolidWorks is also powerful. Okay, so yeah, so Maya, Fusion 360. We have this was SolidWorks, Fusion 360. We have Tinkercad. We have Blender, and then we have um, Maya. Okay, as 3D modeling softwares that you can use to model 3D objects. But there are more. There are more, and as the world continues to advance, there are more intuitive technologies that are available for doing 3D models. Okay, so yeah. So that said, I'll see you in the next lesson, and then thank you for watching.